driver. A truck driver. A truck driver, commonly referred to as trucker, streams or driver in the United States and Canada, a truckie in Australia and New Zealand, and HGV driver in the United Kingdoms, Ireland, and the European Union. A lorry driver or driver in the United Kingdoms, Ireland, India, Nepal, Pakistan, Malaysia, and Singapore is a person who earns a living as the driver of a truck, which is commonly defined as a large goods vehicles LGV or heavy goods vehicles SGV, usually is semi truck, box truck, or dump truck. A driver driving a semi truck in the Netherlands. Duties and functions: the driver provides and essential services to individualized societies by transporting and fixing the good raw materials overland, typically to and manufacturing plants, retail and distribution centers. Truck driver are responsible from inspecting their vehicles of mechanical items or issues relating to safe operation. Others, such as driver sales works, are also responsible for sales, completing additional services such as cleaning, preparation, and entertaining, e.g., cooking, marketing, hot drinks, and customer service. Truck drivers work closely with warehouse associates and warehouse workers who assist in loading and unloading shipment. Types: a Nissan diesel trucker in Hong Kong. There are three major types of truck driver employment: owner operators, also known as O slash OS, are doubtful, and the individuals and own trucks. They drive and can be either lifts trucks by contacts with a trucking company to haul freight for the company using their trucks and haul loads. Multiple company and the self-employed independent container. Others also leave the and make payments truck with the aim of purchasing them within 2 to 5. Company drivers are employees of a particular trucking company who drive trucks provided by the employer. Independent owner operator are those with the authority to haul goods who often drink their own trucks, possibly owning small fleet anywhere from 1 to 10, but occasional as a few as 2 or 3. Job categories: an Isuzu records management truck. Owner operators, owner drivers, and company drivers can be in these categories. Auto wholesalers transport car on specially built trailer and required specific skills. Load and operator specialized trailer. Boat and move remaining size from 10 foot long, 3.0 meter base, and full the size of 260 feet long, 18 using specified low boy trailer that can be set of the size of boats wider than 8 feet 6 inch 2.59 meter or 13 feet 6 inch 4.11 meter. Required permits to move and are considered oversized loads. Drivers haul the majority and goods on the highway in large trailers. Contacts may be variable and non-ferrous goods. Dry bulk pneumatic drivers haul bulk sand, salt, and cement. Among other things, they have specialized trailers which enable them to use provided air to upload their product, commonly known among truckers as plowboys. Flatbed drivers haul and assortment of large bulky items such as tanks, steel pipes, or lumber. Drivers require the ability to balance to load correctly. LTL drivers location to location or less than truck load generally refers to location delivery job where goods are delivered by the driver at multiple locations, sometimes including the pulling of double or triple trailer combinations. Refers driver half registered temperature sensite or frozen goods. Local drivers work only within the limits of their local areas. Their service area may include closing state lines, but drivers instantly return home daily. Household goods drivers or bed burgers help haul personal effect of families moving from one home to another. A container truck cab over design. Religion drivers may work over several states near their homes and may be away from home for short periods. Interstate drivers, otherwise known as over the road or long haul drivers, often cover distance 2,000 of miles and are away from home for days, weeks, or even months on end. For time critical loads, companies may be opt to employ steam drivers to cover the more miles than a single driver. Oversized load drivers transport oversized loads. The standard regulation specific parameters are required to transport oversized shipment. Team drivers refer to pairs of drivers who takes turn driving the same truck in shifts, sometimes sources or several people in different states who split up the whole line whole the avoid being away from home for long periods. Tanker drivers, trucks drivers in truck drivers slang tankers yanker tankers to liquids such as gasoline, petrol, diesel, fuel, milk, and crude oil, and dry bulk materials such as the plastics, sugar, flour, and cement, and tanks. Liquid tank drinks need specific drink and skills due to load balance changing from the liquid movement. This is especially true fruits grade tanker which do not contain the waffle and are single complemented due to